The project was born with the aim of readapting and preparing architecture for a post-carbon era, in which society becomes aware of the current problem of the greenhouse effect and proposes solutions. Thus begins a search for new construction methodologies that reduce the carbon footprint produced by architecture. The system of realities takes center stage, in which frontiers are crossed and allow architecture to reach limits that were impossible until now. Thanks to augmented reality we can modify physical reality, creating a mixed reality with infinite possibilities. Programs, experiences, atmospheres. Nothing is definitive. Everything is unique and customizable. Dematerialization is one of the intentions most identified with the different currents of contemporary architecture. This aesthetic of the immaterial, or of disappearance, also assimilated from other artistic and technical disciplines, has been taking shape in recent buildings by means of very diverse tools. Through the analysis of some of the most representative works of our time, the work aims to determine what they are, what technical possibilities they admit, and how the mechanisms of dematerialization that have given rise to an architecture that could be described as evanescent have evolved. The thinning of structures, the imperceptibility of envelopes, the mutation of limits, the integration or camouflage in the landscape, the exhibition of energy flows, are some of the compositional resources that are analyzed in this research based on the case study methodology. These mechanisms, in their maximum disintegrating expression, can dissolve the very presence of architecture. With new digital technologies Ghost reality achieves the dematerialization of spaces, blurring boundaries and disfiguring spaces because this world is not governed by the laws of physics. The whole infrastructure of installations is of vital importance in this project. They have been given great attention because they make the difference between a good experience and a total immersion in augmented reality, thus achieving a much more consistent and closer mixed reality. Inside the buildings, the typical air conditioning installations are oversized, due to the fact that they are intended to reach limits that are somewhat distant from the common requirements. In addition, surround sound installations have been provided to avoid, as far as possible, the use of headphones. It should be noted that there are also other types of more experimental installations, such as aromatic installations, or fans used in a context other than air conditioning, which will take immersion in the atmospheres of reality to a higher level. The patent therefore consists of a multi-platform application that serves as a generator of augmented and virtual realities. It consists of a support through which, by means of devices that in the future will be common to all, people can reach these universes, sometimes even created by themselves.